This Findley Lake Waterfront home sits directly on the lake with over 240 feet of water frontage. Enjoy the abundance of wildlife and nature right from your patio with a built-in fire pit. Stargaze from the lakeside hot tub. Dock your boat at the newly built maintenance-free dock. Fishing, outdoor dining, yard games and much more are right outside your door. Located just 4 miles from Peak and Peak Ski Resort and Golf Course. A short boat ride to town for dinner, shopping or a festival. The updated kitchen features granite countertops and eat-in island, new cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. New flooring throughout the kitchen and bathroom. Hardwood floors lead you through the large living room with built-in bookshelves, wood-burning fireplace and picture windows with stunning views of Findley Lake. 2 first-floor bedrooms with large closets with keyless locks. A recently updated full bath and a mud room with laundry complete the first floor. Upstairs you will find 2 more large bedrooms with storage. Please ask for the complete list of updates as there are too many.